Welcome to this shortened version of a tutorial video for the Desk Proto CAM software. It shows you how to CNC machine your own furniture. The tool design that is used is a free download. The Desk Proto software is a free download too. Half of the video explains how to create a toolpath in Desk Proto, as now shown at high speed. Cutter, speeds, support tabs, roughing layers and more. Finally, the NC file is saved to be sent to the CNC milling machine. The tool is machined in a slab of 15mm thick plywood. The complete milling process is shown, which takes 8.5 minutes. After that, the support tabs are removed and the stool is assembled. A nice design and easy to machine with the Desk Proto CAM software.